Ferrari, more than just a car, it's a symbol of speed, luxury, and legacy. Born from passion, built for performance, and adored across the world. It all began in 1939, when Enzo Ferrari founded Auto Avio Costruzioni. By 1947, the first Ferrari car, the 125S, roared to life, marking the beginning of an empire that would change motorsport forever. Ferrari's DNA was forged on the racetrack. From Formula One victories to endurance races, every win added to the legend, and every car carried the spirit of competition. From the elegant 250 GTO to the futuristic SF90 Stradale, Ferrari's evolution has been a masterclass in blending art and engineering. Every curve, every roar, a masterpiece in motion. But not everyone can own a Ferrari. The brand carefully chooses its customers. Each buyer is vetted, from background to ownership history. Why? Because Ferrari isn't sold, it's earned. Today, Ferrari represents innovation and prestige. Limited models like the Daytona SP3 and Purosangue redefine what exclusivity means, combining speed with sophistication. From Enzo's dream to global dominance, Ferrari remains the heart of automotive passion, built for the few, admired by millions. Subscribe and like for more videos like this.